Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today will be our last video in the I-81 series for now. We begin in Pulaski County at mile 92 in the census-designated place of Draper. Here, Virginia State Highway 100 North runs concurrent with I-81 for a few miles. Here at the Trooper Andrew Fox Memorial Bridge, we cross the New River and enter Montgomery County. The bridge is named in memory of Trooper Fox, who was struck and killed by an SUV while directing traffic that was leaving the Virginia State Fair and Kings Dominion theme park in 2012. Montgomery was established in 1777 and named for Richard Montgomery, an American Revolutionary War general killed in 1775 while attempting to capture Quebec City, Canada. Montgomery County had an estimated population of 98,602 as of 2016. At exit 114, the Blue Ridge Parkway has a connection with I-81, which we'll be seeing in an upcoming series. Here we enter the town of Christiansburg, the county seat of Montgomery County. What started as a collection of taverns and rest stops along the Great Wilderness Road has grown into the New River Valley's retail hub, pairing brand name shopping and dining with locally owned eateries and boutiques. Christiansburg is a place of past and present, with historic neighborhoods and innovative businesses and development existing side by side. From the days of Daniel Boone, Davy Crockett, and eventually Booker T. Washington to the post-World War era that saw the opening of the Starlight Drive-In, Christiansburg has continued to grow while maintaining its small-town vibe. Christiansburg had an estimated population of 22,259 as of 2017. We exit I-81 here at mile 118, where we stopped for the night in the town of Blacksburg before beginning the next portion of our journey. This is it for I-81 for now. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.